Hello guys, I hope you all are good. So today we're gonna talk about the inverse ETFs. Like it is basically the ETFs, like the same as the regular ETFs, but it is just the opposite of the normal ETF, like the SPY and Qs. The most common names are the SPYs and Qs. SPY tracks the S&P 500, and the QQQ tracks the 100 best stocks of the Nasdaq. So this is a normal chart, daily chart of SPY. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna compare it with its inverse ETF. So this is its inverse ETF S. Let me get my notes. SH. So the white line here is the inverse ETF of SPY. This is the SPY, the candles, and the white line chart is the inverse ETF of SPY. So you can clearly see that when SPY goes down to the south side, it goes up in value. So basically, we can do here it is beneficial for the traders who want to short the market but do not have the option to short it. Like there are some brokerage firms like the Wealthsimple and Webull for in which we cannot short the market. So by this inverse ETFs, we can make money on the declines too. Like if there is a bear market in the future, so we can just go long and long on this inverse ETFs. So in this way, we are shorting the markets and we are making money on the decline of the market. So this is a very good option for those traders who want to short the market but do not have option to do so to whatever the reason it would be. Like some reasons are they do not have any margin accounts or like I live in Canada, so that's why I cannot short some stocks in the Webull app. I mostly use the Webull, so that's why. So there are some. So this is not only for the overall market or the indexes, it is also true for the individual stocks. So there are some inverse ETFs for the individual stocks like the Nvidia and Tesla. So here is the daily chart of Nvidia, and I'm going to compare it with its inverse ETF. Let me go to my notes, and the inverse ETF for Nvidia is NVD. Compare NVD. Granite shares short Nvidia. So you can see that the white line here is the inverse ETF, and the candles here are the NVIDIA chart itself. So you can clearly see that when NVIDIA is going up and it's making higher highs and higher lows, and its inverse ETF is going down and it is making lower highs. And so here is the live example how we can benefit from these inverse ETFs. So this is SPY and it is in a clear downtrend. It is making lower lows and lower highs. So this is the inverse ETF for SPY. So if a trader manages to buy inverse ETF at this point, as we can see that it is the overall market is and SPY is declining, he can make a lot of money on the market decline too. But like it is basically he's shorting the market by going long in the inverse ETFs. So this is all about that is all about the inverse ETFs, and I hope you all guys get it and make money. Trade smart, guys. Thank you.